Clue 2019 new machine. B6-PRO Smart Bulk Tea Brewer. Smart. Simple touchscreen panel makes brewing good tea easy with just one touch. Fast. 8 tea brewing modes with instant temperature change can satisfy all beverage making needs. Safe. Lid opens automatically, which makes operations easy and safe. Professional. Combining the Kung Fu tea features of pouring, steeping, pre-infusion, boiling, extracting with steam blending tea design and temperature controls, tea can be extracted perfectly. Convenient. Automatic cleaning of the bucket prevents flavors from mixing when brewing different materials. Functional. Can brew various materials at the appropriate temperature and time frame, for example, tea, coffee, herbal tea, Chinese medicine, etc. Management. SD card information storage, making it easy for chain stores to manage. B6-PRO Smart Bulk Tea Brewer.